In this video, we are going to show how to use the pattern brush. First, open your photo in Photoshop Elements. Go to Guided. Select Fun Edits, then choose Pattern Brush. Scroll through the options and pick the one that best fits your scene. Let's go with snow. Use the Fill option to automatically add the pattern to your photo. So easy. Unselect Protect Subject to have the pattern appear across your whole image. You can also click Paint to brush on a pattern. Let's use this to add more snow. Adjust the size and scatter settings to get the perfect look. Easy as that, we've added more snow. Try the Pattern Eraser tool to fine-tune the pattern application. Perfect. Click Next when you're ready to save and export. Have fun brushing on cool details like snow, hearts, sparkles, swirls, and so much more.